Okay, let's see. Oh my gosh, my hay fever. How much? Okay.
Yeah, but look how
That's you. We still haven't enough money to buy all that stuff again, just less.
Okay, I'll get 2 walkie-talkies of organization. I will be live in 2 days' time. Oh, if only there was an emote that was perfect when I just did that. Tune in next time.
Technical.
Pardon me. Only by 30 minutes. To be honest, I was 8 minutes late anyway. Let's just pretend at 6 o'clock that we're... Thank you, Dior, for the 10 months. Woohoo! Christian, I thought you usually got with Christian.
Oh wait, is Ka-Chow the lizard?
Yeah.
That's where that's down near the dock.
Yeah, I thought it was... 2.
Bless you.
Thank you. Whew.
Okay, so...
That's me, thanks.
Wait, do you think that we can make something out of it?
I'm allergic to him, sorry.
Bless you. No, my book says that...
Okay, so...
That bunker was great, by the way. We did really well.
Yeah.
March, which is where we are,
Bless you.
is
Thank
the
you.
only one that isn't like...
I was like, I'll just get like a normal 10th, and then in the chaos, one hit just connected, right?
I think that's the thing. That one.
Pardon me, sorry.
That didn't even sound like you. What? That sounded like I thought like that was Martin or Sneak. Why was that like?
I turn into my dad when I sneeze. I think up until the age of like 19, I sneezed by not making a sound, and then I hit 20, and now I'm like, pardon me. Well done, Robert. Right.
Stock 3D model.
Yeah.
Of a dog, right?
Yeah.
Then you take a bunch of photos.
And this is a practice that invites you to...
Right, I haven't done this in ages, and I'm not wearing the right trousers for it. So you have to be nice to me. I maybe didn't see it. How did your meeting go after the loss on Tuesday? I just left. I just straight up, like, I went in and I was like, I can't do this right now, and I asked... Oh. Temporary strength boost. I need more rails. Woo. We will hang this guy up today as well. Woo! We actually have a very easy way of being able to do that. Hold. Sorry, chat. I'm still sicky. Oh. Okay, interesting. We need to make it so that they can't stay when they've folded. But I can feel myself getting iller, so we're in a good spot. I think one more stream and we'll have everything fixed.